Welcome to The Humble Onion. My name's Chris Howard, I'm the chef owner. Today we're going to be cooking a pan-seared, half boneless, free-range West Australian chicken served with a mushroom pan sauce built on Dijon and vermouth. It's going to be absolutely delicious. And most importantly, we're cooking with gas. We're going to go in with a pretty generous amount of oil. So we get oil in the pan and we also get a little bit on our product. And then we're going to give it a really generous season. And we're going to lay it in the pan away from ourselves. So we're going to leave it skin side down when we go into the oven because we want to get as much of that skin rendered and crispy crunchy as humanly possible. We're going to go in with some butter, some bay leaf, some thyme, and some garlic. And then we're going into a 190-degree oven. We're going to check in about 6 minutes, okay? Now we're going to flip this over and fingers crossed, it's going to be wonderful. And we're just going to put this guy out here on a cooling rack to rest, okay? So to go with our chicken, we're going to make a really simple sauce. So the first thing we're going to go in with is our wine. When that's at about half, we're going to go in with our sherry. And when that's at about half, we're going to go in with our chicken stock. To this, we can add our mushrooms. So you'd have yours already seared. Ours are just rehydrated, so they're going in now. Seeing this for the thickness. And we're going to add some Dijon mustard. And now we're going to be starting a process in French called beurre monté. But it basically just means thickening with butter. So it needs to be cold so that it slowly melts into the sauce. You don't want to go in with melted. So our sauce is done, our chicken's rested. The only thing left to do is we're just going to get a little bit more crisp on the skin and obviously warm the chicken back up. We're going to carve, add the sauce, and most importantly, we're going to eat it, okay? We're going to go in here and again, away from us, so there's no danger. So we're just going to carve our chicken. And we're just going to finish with our mushroom sauce.